In this video, I will explain the working of a manometer, an instrument used to find the pressure of a gas in a closed chamber. In this image, we have a closed chamber on the left hand side, as you can see, and there is a tube from the chamber that leads to U-tube. It's called U-tube because it's shaped like a U and it's got mercury on both the arms of the tube. Let's keep the gas at atmospheric pressure just to check out this instrument. The right hand arm of the U-tube is open at the top. That means that the air is free to act on the top of the mercury column on the right hand side, so that air is pressing down on the right hand side of mercury, and on the left hand side mercury, the gas is pressing down on it and the gas is that atmospheric pressure. So the red arrow is the outside air atmospheric pressure and the green arrow is the gas pressure. And since both are now same, the height of the mercury is same in the U-tube on the both arms. Now if we create a pressure on the left hand side by increasing gas pressure, we will see that it depresses the mercury on the left hand side, is what we have done now. The mercury on the left hand side dips to a point A, and according to the mercury on the right hand side of U-tube increases to the top point C. Pressure at point A and pressure of point B, which is the same level, will be the same. So the gas pressure is what we need to find out in this manometer. The best way to find out is what the pressure at the point B, and the pressure is equal to the pressure due to height of the mercury above B. That means B to C plus the pressure atmospheric which is acting on the top of the mercury point C. Let's look at the equation. The pressure of gas is the pressure of atmosphere on the top of the mercury column, this P atmospheric plus the pressure due to weight of the mercury column. Here weight is mass into gravity, and mass is equal to density into volume, and volume is equal to area of cross section of U-tube height, and that height is h. So when you divide the weight by area, and the area gets cancelled on numerator and denominator, and it left with density into height h and into gravity. So I hope this video is useful to you. For the further query, comment down below your thoughts. See you in the next video. Smile until next time.